Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your remaining Amazon gift card balance. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a gift card and basically just want to see how much balance is remaining left. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. And so let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do first is make sure that your Amazon application is up to date, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, once you reach on this page here, this is the home page of Amazon. The only way that I know of to actually check how much balance you have remaining on your gift card is to make sure that you've actually redeemed your gift card. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Now, to check your remaining balance, you're going to click on the bottom hand side, this icon that looks like a person. And then from here, what you're going to do is that your top portion might look like this here. You're going to scroll down until where it says gift card balance $0. So where it says gift card balance $0, your balance is probably going to look different. But as you can see, I have a $0 gift card balance, but that is essentially how you go ahead and check your remaining gift card balance. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next